you soon. Digging a hole, Brian. Nope.
Oh, make it.
Gotta back up and hit it again. Oh my god.
Huh?
Holy shit.
No, I just watched this tire was logged up.
Oh my god. That's a fucking vacuum.
Don't put your hand on the fucking intake. Because if you plug up my pipe, we're gonna be stuck out here to unplug it. Get out.
What? I put it near it. Oh shit. This is made for bikes, Brian.
Then why do you want to bring your truck out here if it's made for bikes, Bailey?
Because I like bringing my truck out here. Because I know I can do it smarter than Andrew did. Fucking ski up here.
I think I can fly.
That's fucking neat.
Why doesn't he try the next hole?
Rocking it. That was fucking cool. I don't know what he said.
I don't know either.
Oh,
Wow! You're in commit level now.
Slurp. Right in his face.
Just take it inch by inch.
Too much chrome. Ooh, fuck. Now he's stuck.
No, he's not. You can make that.
Yeah, just fucking get it.
Yeah, just don't get my ass wet and dirty. Of course you don't. You might have to back up and just... Yeah, I'm not making that one. Yeah. Yeah. That's one way to get all dirty. Rump on it. There.
Almost fell in that. See it?
Oh. Oh shit, his pipe.
Look at that chocolate milk.
Woo, I had to work for that.
Your pipe again.
Is it banned?
Yeah.
Hey, I thought your truck was white.
Fuck, we gotta fix that now.
Can't do nothing about it now.
Like,
I have no tools to fix it.
That'll be fine.
Yuck. Well, yeah, he'll be fine because obviously that's why, because it's still leaking air out of it.
that's deep.
No.
Why the fuck do you keep, when you're in it and you're moving, why'd you shift gears?
I didn't. It shifts on its own.
No, I'm
automatic,
saying,
Brian.
shut up! I'm talking about the full drive. You learn to shut your mouth and you let me finish. What? Fuck you two, get him, go with him. Fucking pecker head wrinkle motherfucker. Yippee! Soupy mud. Yeah, I'm making that shit. Fuck you. That one I can. Yuck. His exhaust pipe is just sitting on his axle. Stupid GoPro. For what? For what? Huh?
Rear bumper like that. May as well rip the fucker
Oh
off
wow,
now.
I'm missing the rest of it. Yeah, good enough.
That's not good enough.
You just gotta remember to go back to grab my other piece out that's back there. For what? Nope. Well, what's the point? It's just sitting on your axle anyways.
I don't want it hanging down like that.
Oh, what do you want to do? I don't have anything.
Can we check? You should have something.
I don't know. I had a shitload of fucking parachute cord, but everybody decided to use the motherfucker. I have that rope.
I'll make it work.
What if I was gonna use that rope to tie my bumper back on?
There's another section in
'Cause I might have to do that. Can you not make up your mind who you can ride with?
What?
Do you know how to make up your mind who you're riding with?
No. There's nothing to hold on to in this truck.
And there's something to hold on. My truck?
Yeah, it's right here.
people do with their butt on their bed? Cycle park. There.
Tie that up somewhere down there where we can actually get under it.
There's snow and shit all over the place, genius. Hang on. Where's the rope? What? Doesn't know how to shut up. Yep. Just an idiot? More than just an idiot.
Tie it. I'll hook the end of it and hold it up.
Oh, maybe we could just loop.
Yeah. So it should be cold enough to where it shouldn't. Right?
Maybe. Yuck.
And it's like gritty. I got it.
Crazy. Hold it tight. That's why you didn't notice. Well, it took me long.
Huh.
Because when you decide to pull out like an idiot, fucking cop ripped up right out of there.
I know, I seen it. I figured he was gonna nail my ass.
Yep. Damn it, I just my face.
Don't see it.
Good, this is your crap. Why do I fix it? Swear. Yeah. That's an understatement. Yuck!
Yeah. Soupy shit.
I don't think it's soupy, it's just clean.
Some more of coffee. Sounds like one of his fucking valves is hitting.
Won't be surprised if that spark plug wire came off again.
That's what it is, huh?
Gross.
You know what we need to get? A couple of snowmobiles.
You know, you're like the 10th person that said that.
Okay. Yeah, like a truck. They
Hey,
don't have
look.
any issues.
It's a it's a Toyota. How did I figure that shit? Oh. It's probably one of his friends, no doubt. Because when he's driving up to him.
Andrew?
No, Ian. Yeah, because looks like they were really tearing shit up here.
Is he good or?
Probably flooded. You would probably flood yours too if it came down to it.
Whatever.
Oh, fuck. And it's gonna come down. Ian's the biggest truck here.
I know how to drive.
Really?
Yeah.
If you knew how to drive, how come you smashed Mom's Jeep into a rock?
That was forever ago.
That's still forever ago. It still happened.
So, I'm better than I was. I used that as a learning experience. Holy fuck. Are we gonna do that?
I'm not gonna hit it because I don't.
Woo!
Other than like everybody else, I have a breather up there.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Ow. Hey, where do you get one of those light bars?
Online,
I know, but how much? Oh.
depends.
That's what old ladies wear.
What?
Depends. That's funny. Oh, he's gonna drop it, isn't he?
He can't. He's an all-wheel drive, so he can't fucking sling that much mud.
I wish. I wish. Okay. Because that would be fucking neat. Are you trying it too? Oh my god. God damn it, Brian.
Why'd you look at it?
Because I thought it was gonna be cool. Slurp. Slurp. How big of a fucking
Whoa.
rooster tail is that?
I don't know. Probably a big one.
You want me to take the camera and watch you guys? 100.3 DX.
Uh-huh.
Brian, you want me to take the camera and watch you guys?
Alright.
Go through puddles and shit? Like every time we get to a puddle, just give me the camera? Yeah?
Nah, we'll just do it this way. That's how we always did. And the guy in there putting the Rangers a dickhead.